The Haply Development Kit is an open-source, modular haptic development platform. Its goal is to facilitate the rapid ideation and development of custom haptic content into projects. The development board allows users to use existing hardware designs or to build their own custom hardware to work with a flexible API. The HAPI was developed in collaboration with Stanford and the University of British Columbia through a National Science Foundation grant. Users can explore a variety of possible non-traditional I/O devices and incorporate them into their work. Traditionally, force feedback devices have been out of the reach for most due to their complexity and high cost. The initial objective of the project was to lower the barrier of entry for those seeking to learn about haptics by opening up the hood to the hardware and software components that comprise a force feedback haptic system. For our Kai demonstration, we plan to showcase the Haptic platform in a variety of formats, ranging from a single degree of freedom to higher 2 and 3 degree of freedom configurations. We believe this platform will allow for a more rapid exploration of haptic technologies into new tools such as AR and VR. We plan to build a series of educational video tutorials to help users quickly incorporate the technology into their work. Our future objective is to use this work to bring simulation tools to the classroom, so the next generation of students can benefit from state-of-the-art simulation technologies enriched with the sense of touch. This is an independent work that was initiated at McGill University and most recently advanced through a collaboration with the University of British Columbia and Stanford University. Thank you, and thanks to all those who have contributed to this work.